There we go, guys. Come there. There it is. Whew. Good morning, everybody. This is Caleb, aka Jabroni Joe. Welcome back to Jabroni Joe Outdoors. Today we're going to do a little bit of farm pond fishing. Let's get right into it, guys. Alrighty guys, so the farm pond that we are fishing today is on land that is owned by my fiance's family here in Oklahoma. That's pretty much all the information I can really give out about it. This is pretty much my favorite pond to come and fish at. It's nice and big, it's got big fish, it's got a lot of fish, I catch a lot of fish, and I'm pretty much unbothered anytime I'm out here. And the owner of the land keeps one of these nice little sun dolphin bass raiders right by the shore, so I can basically just paddle it out here and use it all I want. Right now today, guys, I'm fishing with a Texas rig with a June bug brush hog. We're just gonna get right into it, see if we can catch some more fish. There's another one, guys. Ooh, he's run in. That might be, ooh, yep, that feels like a good one, guys. Ooh, not a bad fish. Ooh, he's splashing me. Come here, big guy. Oh, he's really trying. We're not gonna get off though. There we go. Whew. There's a good fish, guys. Whoo-wee. Got one off y'all. Probably 2 pounds. Good fish. Let's get him back in the water. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna switch over to the chesty so that you guys can get a look at what I'm doing here. I'm just taking this brush hog and flipping and pitching it into this cover. The water level of this pond is up a lot from the last time I fished it. Pretty much up from any time I fished it. I've never seen the water level this high, if I'm being honest. So, with the water level being high and the water temp being hot and it being hot outside, I'm finding the fish are moved up into shallow cover. Now that I have the chesty on, I have a little bit more freedom to stand. And I definitely want you guys to know that this right here is my favorite way to fish. Finding lots of heavy cover and flipping and pitching. A jig, a Texas rig, a pegged Texas rig. Just finding those holes that are filled with bass. There's something about, you know, quote unquote, no pun intended, fishing the fish out of these weeds and stuff. That just does it for me. Growing up, I did not fish finesse almost at all as a kid. I didn't have the patience for it, didn't want to do it. I was pretty much a power fisherman through and through. My spinner baits and my rattle traps. First time I caught a fish on a Texas rig changed the game for me. Oh, there's one, boys. Got it. Oh, yeah. Whew. They are aggressive out here, guys. Look at that fight. You gonna stop? Look at that, guys. Right through the nose and right out. Nice fish. My fiance, my son, and I came out yesterday to the family farm and decided to stay and camp out on the land for a night. They're back at the campsite doing a little sleeping while we're out here doing some fishing this morning. There we go, guys. Got another one. Tiny one this time. There we go. Bite has turned on for the morning, guys. We're getting fish. Oh, there we go. One grabbed it while I was reeling it back in, guys. Fish. A little bit of a flurry here, guys. Crazy. Whew. Well, we are wearing them out this morning, everyone. In fact, they are wearing out this brush hog. It is tore to bits. Let's see if I can maybe nail one more fish on it, but it may be toast after that. Also, guys, it seems like the GoPro is on its way to dying, so if I don't get any more fish catches on camera, I do apologize. But I think we've had a lot of fun out here so far today. Let's see if we can get a few more before the GoPro dies. Today, I'm fishing with my go-to bass rod setup. This is a Berkley Cherrywood medium heavy 7-foot rod. It's like 30 bucks at Walmart. And then a Lose Speed Spool Classic Pro in the 7.5 to 1 gear ratio. You obviously want like a pretty high gear ratio for your Texas rigs and jigs and anything like that, which is mainly what I use this rod for. I've had the reel for a few weeks and I really like it so far. Caught some good fish on it. And the rod I've had for about a year and I love it. It's the reason it's my go-to rod. Also, I never really have to worry about it breaking, because if it does, I can go get another one for $30. Whew. Couldn't get it on camera, guys, but I got this stud. This may be the last one before the camera dies, guys. Probably a good 2-pounder right here. Alrighty guys, so the GoPro did end up dying after that last catch that you guys saw. I did stay out on the water and do some more fishing for a little while, and I have to tell you guys, Jabroni Joe laid the smack down on the bass this morning. Look at that. I've got some serious bass thumb going on. All in all, I think I caught at least 10 fish, possibly about 15. I lost track, I lost count. There were some good sized ones, 2 and 3 pounders in there. Man, it was just a great day. We're having a good time out here at the family farm. Right now we're packing up though. We're gonna call it a day. We're gonna try and beat the heat of the day and get home before it gets too hot. You guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next one.